5 Best Dehumidifiers 2017. Number 5. Black & Decker BDT. Capable of extracting up to 70 pints of water per 24 hours. 3-speed fan, high, MED, low, operating temperature 41 to 95 degrees Fahrenheit. Adjustable thermostat with digital display, great for accuracy. Auto restart, excluding pump function, auto shut-off, and auto defrost. Environmentally friendly R410A refrigerant. Energy Star certified. Please check the description for detail and prices. Number 4. Friedrich T50 BPA. Energy Star qualified 50-pint dehumidifier plugs into a standard 115-volt electrical outlet. Built-in drain pump can pump condensation vertically, horizontally up to 15 feet plus continuous drainage option from rear drain outlet. Displays room temperature and humidity level. Caster wheels for easy mobility. 24H on/off timer. Please check the description for detail and prices. Number 3. Keystone, KSTD706B. Room dehumidifier removes up to 70 pints of moisture from the air per day. Designed to dehumidify a room up to 4,500 square feet. Electronic controls with LED display and 24-hour timer. Auto restart saves your settings during a power outage. Settings include normal, turbo and auto defrost. Available in black or white. Please check the description for detail and prices. Number 2. Delo DDD 50 PD. 50 pints per day dehumidifier with worry-free pump function uses standard 115-volt electrical outlet. Visible water level. 6-liter tank control system with alarm. Empty water 3 ways, continuously through pump and 16 feet. Hose. Passively through 3 feet hose or manually empty tank. Electronic climate control with LCD display. Please check the description for detail and prices. Number 1. Frigidaire FF80 7033 R1. 70 pints per day dehumidifier uses standard 115-volt electrical outlet. Protects your home from mold and mildew caused by excess moisture. Helps eliminate bacteria in the air that can make breathing difficult. Low temperature operation saves energy and money, 41 degrees. 24-hour on/off timer and control lock. Energy Star certified, yes. O listed, yes. Please check the description for detail and prices.